Hi, welcome once again to your channel Generous, Gracious, and Gallant. I'm your host, Dr. Ghosh, and I'm here today with another amazing inspirational story. This story is about Kargil War veteran Major D.P. Singh, also known as India's first Blade Runner. He ran a full marathon on the blade prosthesis in 2011. Come, let's hear his inspirational story. Major D.P. Singh was born on September 23rd, 1973 in Haryana. He joined the Indian Military Academy in 1995 and was commissioned as an officer in 1997 in the Dogra Regiment. When the Kargil War broke out, Major D.P. Singh was in the Angkur sector of the LOC. He was about 80 meters away from a Pakistani army post when a mortar blasted 1.5 meter away from his body. His body was ridden with 50 shrapnel and his foot was badly mangled. His brave soldiers of his regiment were able to evacuate him, but there was a severe loss of blood, and before reaching the base hospital, he also suffered an heart attack. When he reached the hospital, they thought he was dead, but a specialist took on his case and he was considered very lucky to have survived with these major injuries. His foot was amputated because it developed gangrene. Major D.P. Singh says he had to look within him, deep within his spirituality, to overcome what he was capable of earlier and the difference between what he had become post the battle injury and the amputation. He had to draw upon his spiritual strength to overcome his post amputation status. He suffered from stress, he suffered from major disabilities. It was an uphill task for Major D.P. Singh to recover. One thing Major D.P. Singh says is that freedom can only be enjoyed if it is based on a solid foundation of discipline. And it was on this spirituality, perseverance, patience, and discipline that helped Major D.P. Singh recover from his amputation and major injuries received during the Kargil War. After the war, Major D.P. Singh transferred to the Ordnance Corps because of his injuries, and he served there till 2007. Post that, he retired after 10 years of service in the Indian Army. Now, with the amputated leg, Major D.P. Singh, being an army officer, decided he wanted to do something for society and not stay back as simple amputee. He undertook many social improvements, especially for fellow soldiers. If you see some of his achievements, you will be amazed. In 2011, he became the first Indian to run a marathon on the blade prosthesis. He ran 26 half marathons to date, and he has run a full marathon, including 3 high altitude marathons at Kargil, Ladakh, and the Sangla sectors. He also became the first Indian amputee ever to skydive solo in 2019. He opened an NGO challenging ones to help amputees overcome the stigma associated with them and help them recover their self-confidence and belief through sports. Limca Book of Records in 2016 had named him among the People of the Year list. 2000 Government of India awarded him with the Person of Disabilities Role Model Award. 2018, the Indian Army itself, which was celebrating the year for soldiers disabled with soldiers with disabilities, it was celebrating 2000 year as the year of soldier with disabilities during duty. Major DP Singh was taken on as the ambassador in 2018 by the Indian Army. 2019, he was awarded the Kevin Kerr Ability Mastery Excellence Award in recognition of the excellence achieved by him against all odds. Major DP Singh continues to support his fellow soldiers on various issues such as PTSD, post-traumatic stress disorders, one rank, one pension, and several other issues. He has become a media sensation. Hats off to Major DP Singh for his discipline, perseverance, patience, and spirituality. It is with fortitude, guts, and ability that one overcomes one's tough circumstances. When the tough get going, nothing can stop them. Nothing. Salute to such achievers as Major DP Singh. Friends, once again let me remind you, today is the 21st anniversary of the Kargil War or Operation Vijay. I request all of you for a moment to remember our brave soldiers who gave their lives for our tomorrows. Please give a moment in their memory. Thank you, friends. For those of you who like my inspirational story, could I request you to please subscribe to my channel. For those of you who are already my subscribers, thank you. You make me feel motivated to bring out more such videos. Till we meet again very soon with another inspirational story on Generous, Gracious, and Gallant. Good luck and all the best. Thank you once again.